Alright, so I'm going to go over the course submission as I understand it right now anyway. I'm trying to keep this short. I know everybody wants to get out of there as soon as possible. So of course, like anything, got to go to the right semester. I'll just go to this next semester. If you're trying to do it for last semester, make sure you extend the dates on your Canvas shell or it's not going to let you do it. Okay, I think everyone has seen this before, so it's just a quick review. I'm going to pick something hopefully I can't screw up, or I can fix in a while if I do. Okay, you got to be in assignments. So I have two created here. You can do it on anything. I'm going to go through what I think the vast majority of people are seeing, then I'm going to go through what we were running into in English and Humanities when you got Turnitin or something external linked to the assignment causes a problem. So, but that shouldn't be the case for most of you. Look something like this. You'll have your actual assignment here, whatever that is. You just need to add the rubric. Okay, and so what you're going to do, what most people are going to want to do is hide the score, because you're going to assess it as you usually do, and this will be in addition, but you don't have to do that. You can score it off of the rubric. What most of you will see here is whatever you're linked to. So these are the institutional rubrics. Also in these two shells I have rubrics in, so I'm seeing those as well. And here, make sure you select the right rubric. All right, so for most people, you're just doing one assessment. Let's just say we'll do critical thinking. And so we'll grab the rubric. So, okay, if you grab the wrong one, you grab it later, you can delete it. And from here, you see this sets it for the assignment. Right, for the points. If you want to edit it, especially if you want to do this for your score, you can change the point value here and it would start updating automatically. I'm not going to do that right now. I like to keep things separate just in case something goes awry later on. I'm going to make sure we keep that hidden. All right, so now the rubric is set for the assignment, or the part that's going to get reported for your core assessment anyway. So if we go to grades, click on a student, you got to go to more details in the speed grader. Probably going to have whatever assignment you normally have for the assignment, however you've graded it, unless you set the rubric to do that. And so now you can set it here. So to whatever you think the score is. Maybe they did better there, not so good there. And you can see now that's saved without actually messing with your score, unless you wanted to mess with your score, and then you'd go back and set the points like we were just doing. All right, so that would take care of one for most of you. If we go back, and we're going to have to get everything starts out of assignments here. For an assignment that comes up later in Humanities, we have a comparison contrast essay. All this stuff isn't filled in yet. How I would originally have this set when I do the assignment is as an external tool. This kicks you somewhere else and it makes it a little bit more difficult to see. So I want to go to, we'll just Turnitin, or whichever one you use. And of course, as everybody knows, the look has changed when you link it somewhere else. Well, this is what you would see if you go to grades. For your compare and contrast. See, it's not there. That caused us all kinds of problems last semester. What you got to do is a relatively simple fix. You got to go back to the assignment. and you just take it off. Okay, so you will not lose your essays or whatever else is uploaded when you do this. Edit assignment settings. And you can go online, no submission, whatever here. Then you're able to add the rubric, but you're gonna, it's more clunky, right? You're gonna have to print the essay out or just keep a notepad out with the rubric, and it'll be a little bit more slow going with the compare and contrast. Okay, so vast majority of you, remember, you're just going to go in here, pick a rubric. Let's say I got the wrong one. And again, for most people, you're just doing the one, so you're going to have to hide the score, find the rubric. Make sure you have the right rubric. All right, look through here. We can make more, sounds like a lot more easily now. So there should be more rubrics showing up. Check with your chair, make sure you have the right rubric. That, if anything, this is what's going to slow you down right now, especially if you're using something like this in one of your courses and you don't see what you need there. Ask your chair about that. Ask them when it's going to show up, basically. All right, hope this covers it for today.